Right, so I'll be showing you how to factory reset your JBL 770 noise cancelling headphones. So this is very simple. All you have to do is launch the app and make sure the headphones are connected to the JBL app on your phone. And then you can scroll down on the app and tap on support. And then under support, you should see reset to factory setting. So tap on that. Then it's gonna warn you your headphones will be restored to default and disconnected from the app. So just go ahead and do that. Just tap on reset. And that is going to factory reset your headphones. Okay, so they're gonna go off and then come back on and go directly into pairing mode. It's literally that simple. Now, even if you check your settings, Bluetooth, you can see now we're being prompted to set up afresh. So that's basically how to factory reset your JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones. Thanks for watching and good luck.